Egg pie in the pan without oven. It's very easy to prepare and very delicious. You can't imagine the taste and the smell in the kitchen. Let's prepare it together. First, break 4 eggs and mix them for 2 minutes. Add 1 cup of yogurt, 3 tablespoons of quick cooking oats. This is the texture that you want. Add 100 grams of white cheese. We will use fresh and green thyme. Make sure to strain it well from the water to not ruin the recipe. You can use any type of cheese, and if you don't have the thyme, you can proceed with the recipe, it won't affect it. Put some salt to taste, mix it, and put it in the pan directly. In a preheated pan, brushed with some oil, distribute the mixture evenly. Put it on low to medium heat, covered for 10 minutes or so, until it's dry from the top and it takes a good color on the bottom. Flip it on a plate and return it to the pan after you brush it with some oil. Leave it covered for 5 minutes on the other side and it's ready to serve. It's perfect with some tomatoes and some olives and even with a hot cup of tea. You can see how the texture is very soft. It's very easy to prepare. It will only take a few minutes from you. See you in the next recipe. صحتين وهنا.